So you need a lot of olive oil, maybe 3 tablespoons or so. Really soak a pan and get it all distributed around the edges too. All right. Okay, so this is the simple way to get the dough out. Is I gotta loosen up one side and just toss it in. And then I'm gonna pull it towards me as it gets started to stretch it out a little bit. But it releases from the bowl all by itself. And here I have to help it. Oh well. Famous last words. Okay, so now we're just gonna pick this up, stretch a bit. Just pick the fat parts up and just stretch them a little bit. See if you can get this distributed into the pan. All right, that's going to be okay. So set like this, we'll let it rise for 20 minutes or something like that. So that's all you need.